welcome to Jamarie and Mommy Way of Life Together. Enjoy. I thought to myself, what if I go to Michael's, the craft store that is.
Mr. Craft Store.
Not the craft store, not SpongeBob. Someone is scared of the dark.
Me.
So I thought to myself, what if I rush over there to Michael's and craft store? Check. And get some supplies so we can make our own nightlight for this scary cat right here. So that's what I did. So come and join us and as we put together our own nightlight together. See you in there.
Jamarie
And Mommy, Way of Life Together.
Enjoy.
So, everybody, we're back and we're going to show you all the things that you need to do your own nightlight. So you won't be scared of the dark no more. Ain't that so neat? All right, so we have the stencils. One thing that you will want to get. We went to Michael's craft store today. Well, I did. And I got all the things that we needed to get. So we got a stencil that you're going to be painting on your glass. And I got, one was rocket ships and a moon man. You see it? That's going to be so cool. We have that one. We have the earth and the stars, but you got to take it out so you can stencil it. I don't think that you guys can really see it, but you see what I'm talking about. You can make a moon, you can make an earth, and then I have some more. And then you can do like Saturn, you can do any planet that you want to do. So with that, you're going to need 2 glass. You can get plastic, but I chose glass.
Be careful. Yeah, with the glass.
Gotta be very careful. So I'm going to put it down. Nicely. And then what you need are 2. You can have any type of thumbs up. You can have any types of tissue paper that you're going to put on your glass. But what you need to put this tissue paper on your glass, you need glue. And it got to be clear glue, you guys. Got to be clear. So, and then you get the paintbrush and you put the glue on there like this. And then you paint it on there. And then you wrap it around with the tissue paper and let it dry. And with the tinsel, you're going to need some paint. Paint. Lots and lots of different color paint. What color are you going to use?
Blue.
Blue? That's your color? I think I'm going to go with red on mine. Yeah, and with that, to do with the stencils, you don't want to use the big brush because that's just for the glue. You want to use the sponge brushes so you can just sponge it in there very carefully.
Got this and you gotta put it in that.
Yes. And then to let the room light up with all the colors, you can get some battery included inside the little, let's take this out and show everybody how this lights up. Little candles that are not flammable.
You got batteries on?
Yeah, it's already batteries in there. So let's turn that on and see. Let's take one out and we're going to see when it comes on. You see that? And that's going to light up the room at night so you won't be scared no more.
What?
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool.
I know. So you guys, let's get started and we're going to put this thing together. Come on. And right here, all you had to do was put the glue on and paint it on there. Just even it out around the sides. And then take the paper and just roll it on there. It was easy as 1, 2, 3. And you could do it with any colors that you would like. Me and him just chose yellow and green. some of our favorite bright colors. And that's all to it. Try it at home. We're back, and it's all done, you guys.
All dry.
He thought it wasn't gonna be able to do it. He thought we wasn't gonna be able to do it, but we did it.
It's all dry.
It is all dry, and what we did, we cut out some of our utensils that we wanted to use. What we wanted to use for our project.
And that's cute.
So he said it's cute. So what we did was we cut it out, we put it on there, and we taped it down with some tape. I told you guys, remember I told you was gonna need
baby tape.
Baby tape to tape down your project. So he wanted Jupiter, the planet Jupiter.
Yes.
And Mom got the planet.
I think, yeah.
You got a piece from the thing for the cutout?
Yeah. Oh, why are you
Mom, and look which one I got. Mom got
a sun.
A sun. So what we're gonna do right now is we're going to
paint it.
Paint time. So we're gonna dab it out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Put some on your side, not on my side. There you go. And you're gonna dab it up. No, go like this. Boop, 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 boop. And you're gonna dab it in between the lines, okay?
Okay.
Just like that. So we're gonna show you how to do this, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, just like that. And you dab it, you use your sponge brush. Not so much, go like this. Dab it right here. Oh, go ahead and do what you want. You know, I'm just gonna leave it all to him and let him do whatever he wants, because that's his and this one is mine. So we're gonna go like this, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Everybody knows how to stencil. I think everybody went to school and had an art class where they know how to stencil. And you just color in. Yeah, they did. You're gonna learn that too. But don't you go to school?
Yeah.
So you haven't stenciled before at school?
He didn't.
You didn't? Oh, so it's okay. One day you're gonna do it. You're gonna be big and strong, and you're gonna go to high school, and you're gonna have an art class. And it's gonna be an art major, and they're gonna teach you everything about stenciling.
Am I doing real good?
Let me see. Oh, you're doing just perfect. You're doing perfect. You need to dab some of that paint off.
Oh, look at it, look.
Oh, yeah. You need to dab some of that paint off, because it looks like it's just gonna be one big blob.
Yes.
And you know what? I think that's fine with you. It's fine with me, because that's yours and this is Mom's. So I'm just going to let you do whatever you're going to do with your project. So this is what it should be looking like as you dab your color in. And then when you take the stencil off, it should look like a sun. I said should. You know, every time we do a project, ladies and gentlemen, if you've been watching the videos, you know sometimes it kind of doesn't come out right. But hey, we tried. So,
Mommy, you can nice going.
Yeah, well, you know what? Let me help this little kid out over here, because he's just putting too much paint. So you go like this, you dab it. See, you already got enough paint. You don't need to keep up paint everywhere? See, go like that, like that. See, you don't need no more paint. You got a lot of paint. Yeah. Yeah.
Mom, I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good. With my help. Ha ha ha. Mastermind over here.
Whoa, we gotta color the name.
What's that name say?
Catamaran.
It says Jupiter. Here, hold it. And do the name.
Color it.
Yeah, go like that. Pat it. Pat it. Pat it. Yeah, just like that. Pat it. Pat it. Pat it. All right there. Oh, you know, but you gotta put a little bit of oomph in it. You know what oomph in it means? You need to put some more strong arm muscle into it. See?
Yes, mine is pretty done.
Yeah, yours is done. Let mom go in here as mothers do. We always go back and make sure that it's right.
No, color on right here now.
Okay, hold on. We gotta let this one dry. You know what I mean?
What?
We gotta let this dry. As I snap my fingers and look what he did. And look what I did. Ain't that cool?
Yeah.
Our nightlights is gonna be so cool, my friend.
We gotta put it wet in here?
Not yet. We gotta wait until these dry. You know, we got about 5 minutes until it dry. When I snap my fingers, it's gonna be 5 minutes. Look, you guys.
Oh my God.
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
It really don't say Jupiter, but it's okay. It's Arts and Craft Day. You can do whatever you want. It's your invention, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is so cool. Give me a high five. Hot. Ooh.
Yeah, I could do a heart.
Ooh, hot like fire.
Yeah. Ooh, on fire.
On fire.
Yeah, I could do on yours.
Woo!
I did a heart.
I know, on fire. Okay, so sit down with mom. Let's get this done. So what we got some string. We brought some string. So we can tie it around the top. Do you want to tie it around the top?
Yeah.
So it can get a little bit more decorative.
Decorated.
Yeah, more decorative.
We gotta do it on mine.
Yeah.
You just knocked yours down.
I did. So
yours is needs to cut this up.
cut it off.
Cut it.
Cut it. I'm gonna tie it in a bow.
Tie like a bow.
Tie like a bow. Tie like a bow.
Tie like a bow.
Tie like a little bow. Tie like a little bow. Tie, tie, tie like a little bow.
It is working.
And in a little while,
Yes, mine is cool. Yeah.
come sit with mom.
Yeah, crazy.
All right. As you guys see,
like a boo.
I'm trying to tie that little bow. Oh,
Oh my
how cute is that, everybody?
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
It's so surprising. Let me hold it.
Okay, hold it. Show everybody, show everybody what you made today, how your nightlight is gonna look tonight as we turn off the lights.
Beautiful.
It's gonna be beautiful?
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Okay.
Gotta be dry.
Yeah, don't wipe the stuff on your clothes. Mom's not gonna be able to get that out. But it did say washable paint, so we never know. Okay, mom's gonna tie it up.
Yeah, yours is mine is so good, Mommy.
Yours is so good.
Yeah, mine is good. Yours.
Yours is better than mine?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah, and I'm gonna make a castle.
Oh, you're always making castle out of something. You always building something. I hope you build me a house one day. You're gonna build me a house?
Yep.
All right, you can build me a house and build Daddy a house too.
Yes.
Yes, build him a man cave.
Man cave.
Yeah, man cave.
Yeah.
Ah, look, Jamarie. Woohoo! Yeah. So look, let's turn off the lights, and we're gonna see them glow. Turn off the light. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot see us, but we can see you. And as you can see, we turned out all the lights, and you see how they glow.
Wow, you can.
You see how they're glow. Don't touch it. You see how they're glowing in the dark, and you can see Saturn. You can see the sun.
Yeah.
Ain't this the neatest thing have you ever seen? I love it, Jamarie.
Yeah.
I love it. Do you see it? Wow. I see your face. Look at that creation.
That's cute.
That is good. Ooh. Someone is not going to be scared of the dark anymore. Oh.
I'm not.
You're not. And you can put these on your nightlight. You can put it next to the bed. You can put them basically everywhere you want. All right, you ladies and gentlemen. You seen what just happened?
Yeah.
They glue in the dark.
Yes.
Like we told you.
Yes.
And you see them light up, the sun lit up, the Jupiter lit up.
And I see it, Mommy.
And that's how you make, hello, that's how you make your own night lights. Cool. If you like this arts and crafts, please join us again. Please push subscribe.
And then like button, and you gotta put the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment and let us know how we did. And we thank you. And thank you for joining Jamarie and Mommy Way of Life together.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.